Charting the heavens. We're going to start here, this very first section, with some really big topics. Really big topics. First up, just to give you an idea, why we're going to start with this, because I want you to think about why we study astronomy, why you should be interested in space. First up, Earth not central. This is one of the great, grand themes of astronomy. In the whole history of astronomy, it's hard to find a bigger theme than this. Now, hundreds of years ago, Copernicus, Galileo, the Renaissance, what did they mean when they said the Earth is not central? When they brought that idea, and that idea had been brought up even before them, but when they brought back that idea, what do they mean by Earth not central? What did that mean to them? Go ahead.
Earth is not the center of the universe.
Earth is not the center of the universe. To them, what was the universe?
Years. Wait, solar system?
The solar system, sure. The solar system, to them, at the time of the Renaissance, that was the universe. And up to that point, everybody thought that the Earth was the center of everything. The sun revolved around us. Why would all ancient people think that the sun went around the Earth? What made them think that? Go ahead.
The sun rise and set.
Exactly, because that's what it looks like, right? It looks like common sense. You see the sun come up in the east in the morning, you see it set in the west, it looks like it's going around us. So that was revolutionary when they realized, hey, that's spin. That not only changed the science, it changed our whole way of thinking. It almost kind of hurt our ego, right? We thought we were the center of things. And then we find out, no, the planets actually revolve around the sun and not the Earth. That was the first blow to our ego. But astronomers weren't done. You see, in the 1800s, we started finding our sun, which seems so special, is special. It's a very rich star. We started finding. Then, of course, we started finding out that all of these other stars, that there were stars that were hotter. Find out in the late 1800s, early 1900s, that our sun is not anywhere close to the center of our galaxy. That was sort of the next blow to our ego, that our solar system is out in a suburb of the galaxy. We found that out in the early 1900s. But we weren't done. Because in the early 1900s, they still thought that our galaxy was the universe. And then thanks to people like Edwin Hubble, they find out, oh wait, there are billions of other galaxies out there. And so along the way, we see this grand arc of history where we're not only not the center, it just makes us seem sort of less and less special as we go, right? But this story isn't over, guys. The story's not done. We're still in the story. Because right now, in 2014, in what way is the Earth still special? Because of what? What else? Something better than that. Yeah, life, right? We're the only place that we know of that has life. Anybody think that's going to last?
No.
Absolutely not. And now, I'm very hopeful in the next few years. Maybe while you're in college, for the first time ever, we may detect other life. Now, I'm not talking about a signal from ET. I'm talking about, we're going to be studying the atmospheres of new planets that we're finding. Planets around other stars, we call them exoplanets. And sometime in the next few years, we're going to find an atmosphere that has a percentage of free oxygen that can only have been created by life. We're going to find a planet that has a forest. That's going to happen sooner rather than later. And that'll be the next chapter in the story. And we won't be special in that way, but at least if we discover a world that's covered in plants, or maybe primitive life, at least at that point we'll be able to say we're still the only place that has intelligent life. And then someday that will end too. Now that one's kind of weird. That one, who knows, right? That could end 1,000 years from now, or that could end this afternoon. And we could get that signal this afternoon, and then we know that. We just don't know when that's going to happen, but it will. And that'll be the next chapter in that grand saga of astronomy and discovery. Earth not central.